Happy Monday, scholars. This is your reading packet for the week. We are focusing on Penguin Chick Week 2. We're going to be looking at different types of penguins. Let's go ahead and read the essential question. How are cold water and warm water penguins the same? When you get this packet, I want you to do just the Galapagos section only, the Galapagos Penguin section only. You have the word species, molt, carnivorous, and predator. Please make 4 sentences using those words. For example, penguins are a type of bird species. Now it's your turn to move on. Please use the word molt, carnivorous, and predator. When you're done, please read the story Galapagos Penguin. After you're done reading the story Galapagos Penguin, I want you to write or type any words that seem unfamiliar and any confusing parts. For page number, you're just either going to put page 1 or page 2. So for the beginning, for example, if you did not know the word, let's see, for me, extending. What does extending mean? I would just found that on page 1, and I would type in the word extending. And then I can put to reach or make longer, the definition to help me out. And you would do that if you found any confusing parts, you would put what confusing part. Then what I want you to do is tell me what is the main idea or the important information for each paragraph. So for paragraph 1, that's this whole paragraph. What is the main idea? So I want you to read this paragraph and tell me the main idea. What's the main idea for this paragraph? And so on and so forth. And I want you to just fill that in for each paragraph that you see. And then I want you to identify the author's point of view. What is the author's point of view? What are they trying to do? Are they trying to persuade, entertain, or inform? Put that in this section now. And that's all you have to do for Monday. If you need help reading the story, you can either A, ask an adult to help read it to you, B, you can ask your teacher to help you read it when you visit them in their office hours, or C, you can listen to me read the story now. Galapagos Penguin. The Galapagos penguin is the third smallest species of penguin in the world and is the most distinctive as it lives further north than any other penguin species. The Galapagos penguin is thought to be most closely to the African penguin and the Humboldt penguin found along the coast of Peru and Chile. While 90% of the world's Galapagos penguins live among the western islands of Fernandina and Isabella, they can also be seen on Santiago, Bartolome, northern Santa Cruz, and Florena. The northern tip of Isla Isabella crosses the equator, meaning that these animals occasionally visit the northern hemisphere and are the only species of penguin to do so. The Galapagos penguin has a black head with a white border running from behind their eyes around the back of their ear coverts and chin to join on the throat. Galapagos penguins have a blackish gray upper parts and whitish underparts with 2 black bands across the breast, with the lower band extending down the flanks to the thigh. Before they breed, the Galapagos penguins molt, and may do this twice a year. While the Galapagos penguins are molting, they usually stay out of the water. They are able to go to the sea for food rather than starve, though since the water is so warm in their area. Since they molt right before breeding, Galapagos penguins are able to ensure that they will not starve during the molting process. The Galapagos penguins are a carnivorous animal that, like all penguin species, survives on a diet that is only comprised of marine animals. Krill and small crustaceans make up the bulk of the Galapagos penguin diet, along with larger organisms, including squid and various species of fish. Because of the Galapagos penguins are smaller size, it has many predators both in the water and also when they are on dry land. On land, the Galapagos penguins must keep an eye out for crabs, snakes, owls, and hawks, while the water, they must avoid sharks, fur seals, and sea lions. The Galapagos penguins has also been severely affected by human activity around the archipelago. On average, the Galapagos penguin breeds once a year, forming pairs that usually remain faithful to one another. The female Galapagos penguin lays two eggs, which are incubated by parents for up to 40 days. When there when only one when only one of the eggs will warm by the parents and remain with them until the chicks are nearly a year old. Today, the Galapagos penguin is listed as an endangered species, as like many species found around the islands, they are endemic to the area and do not adapt well to sudden changes in their environment. So remember, please complete this page and please do your sentences, and you're done. Thank you.